Hello guys, I haven't uploaded a real video for a long time, but today we are going to upload a video. And what's special about this challenge is we are going to be we're going to be landing from the smallest planes in really windy conditions on a big runway. And on a runway, just a regular one. And here we go. So, last time you guys couldn't really hear me, so I turned down its volume because I didn't know I could do that. Oh my goodness, we just started out really bad. Oh wait, oh yeah, we're landing, okay. So we're gonna go to short final. Okay. My plane's nearly, okay, whew. Whoa. Okay, yeah. We have to turn off the settings to a really, well, we're gonna have to turn our weather, sadly. Okay. We are gonna do a little bit less vigorous. We're gonna do like 30 knots with a wind gust of 20. So maybe that's a little bit easier. Okay, we're gonna do that again. Short final. Okay, so it's still hard, but it's still possible. More possible. Okay, turn on rudder brakes. It's not a good day. Can land this thing. Way too small. Okay. Yeah, it's almost impossible. I mean, it's not, but it's practically. Okay. I don't know. We might just have to stall practically if we want to do this. I don't know. When I'm doing like in flights, I usually do cockpit views, but when I'm landing, there's not gonna be a good landing. Yep, we crashed. Okay, now we got a little bit of a better plane that could go against these things. So since it's not really doing anything, we're gonna turn it up a little bit, about 60 knots. And a wind gust of pretty good 49. Okay, it looks like it's doing pretty good, actually. Oh wait, we need a short final. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, actually, this is a really good tiny plane, actually. Not easy to do, but the main goal is not really just any landing. It's really trying to get a butter. Like, just a really smooth landing. Oh, no. Oh! We almost touched down. And also. Yep. This game is actually pretty good. I tried to I don't know if it's illegal to sponsor without anything, but I am just gonna say you guys should download Infinite Flight. It's the best you're gonna get on mobile, for like closer in Infinite Flight. So if you like flight games that are realistic, this is gonna probably get the closest. Or X-Plane, but this is more of a fun thing. I mean, both are simulators, but because this is a game. But in my opinion, if it's not real life and it's fun, I think it should be considered a game. Woo! I actually don't know what makes the factors of that. Okay, so we're probably not gonna actually, and also we don't actually have to land on the runway, but it will be better. Technically, we can't overrun the runway, and we can't, what's that called? We can't, we have to butter. Dude, this is so hard. Okay. I'm gonna do one more attempt and probably switch to the other planes. Well, a little bit more bigger. Ooh, okay. Ooh. And actually, I can't tell actually how smooth these will be in real life, but in my opinion, when I touch down, they look pretty smooth to me. Ooh. Oh, that was hard. Ooh, that was not good. Yeah, that was not smooth at all. Okay, maybe right. Ooh, right. Oh, okay, that was still hard. Okay, this is practically impossible. We may have to skip this, even if I do like challenges. Nope. Oh, okay. We're just kind of on the low. I don't know. Do you guys think I should keep on going, or do you think I should just give up? I mean, technically, small planes are not really that good. Okay, wait. No. Come on, just land. These conditions are the worst. So, this game has taught us one lesson, and that's never, ever to go flying. Well, if you have a license, to ever go flying in this kind of weather. So, yeah, we're just gonna do different. Okay. Okay, this plane is actually doing pretty good. There's the Caravan. Oh, okay, still pretty hard. Woo. I mean, I don't know. If you are any viewers of, what's his name? Pilot Will or something. I forgot his name, but I watch him sometimes. If you're a fan of him, I mean, I don't know. I could never really become a pilot on this game. But, I mean, and I don't really want to fly. I mean, it is fun, but really it takes so much work. But if I lived in a totally different universe, I would definitely do it. Woo! Pretty slick. Okay. All we have to do is land. All we have to do. Oh, okay. I mean, it wouldn't be the smoothest landing, but come on. I mean, I don't know. Do you think we should do it? I mean, in my opinion, I think it would be pretty good. Yeah. Okay, one more try for the boys. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, we've already, okay, if it doesn't crash, we'll just let it slide. And also, we actually haven't been doing it on full settings, so kind of was cheating. Well, not really. I don't know. Let's just skip to the next guy. Okay. So, let's, I keep on forgetting. Oh, okay. Actually, ooh. Okay, in my opinion, I actually think it's kind of doing good. I mean, I can't really land, practically. Ow, ooh, that was a horrible landing. I almost can't even count that as a landing. That was more like a crash. Ooh. Sorry if I was a little too loud. Okay. Yeah. Are even the settings at... Okay, so it's not even at their worst. Yeah, when we get to, like, the Qantas, then, because we have that. Even when we get to Qantas, we'll probably do the highest settings there is. Okay. Doing pretty good. Ooh, I don't know. I mean, I probably wouldn't be like happy about the flight. Why isn't that turning? Okay. I guess we could count that. I mean, well, I guess I did kind of runway overrun. So we're gonna just try a couple more times. So really the main point of this video is don't overrun and practically try and get a pretty smooth landing. And also, you guys, don't be shy to comment. Yeah, we literally just crashed. Don't be shy to comment in a video. And I can do it. It's kind of weird why most YouTubers now are doing these flight simulators, but I don't know. I mean, oh, yeah, even that, it's like, it's not that smooth. I almost think we should just kind of, you know. Okay. Ooh. No. Okay, we landed, and in my opinion, okay, we didn't really runway. We didn't overrun the runway really that much. Okay, parking brakes. So I mean, I wouldn't be happy. I wouldn't be like happy, but you know. Okay, now we're gonna probably be going into the bigger airlines. So, okay. So now we have, ooh, whoo. Okay, so still a hard landing. Oh, that's gonna turn into a crash. Okay, what could we do? We could, okay, I'm gonna do this for you guys though. I'm gonna try and land with, I'm on the landing gear view. Ooh, that was really hard. Okay, that was like the worst crash in, I don't know, aviation history while landing. It's like a Ryanair landing. Nah. I don't know. I mean, I think I did make fun of it one time, but, well, actually Spirit, but, I mean, I don't know, because, I mean, they are hurting they're hurting a business, but, I don't know. I mean, they're really, I mean, I've never flown on either. I mean, I think I've probably flown on Spirit at least one time, but I don't remember ever doing it, because, I mean, who wants to remember their flight experience on Spirit? No one. I mean, I don't know. Ooh, we're about to flip. Oh, and also, since this thing does have pretty good graphics, well, not really like the best, but like, I guess you could say, you could say like suspension, I guess. We should do, I'm probably gonna do that FedEx 80 thing. I did a post on my on the community thing, so go over there and you'll see my post. I'm gonna be posting on March 2nd, so stay tuned. Okay. Okay. I think we did it. I mean, in my opinion, it probably wasn't. I mean, it was like, and we're also kind of overrunning, but I don't know. I don't think it really matters like that. Okay, now we're gonna go on to the bigger planes. Okay. Here we are. We have the 747. This actually might be a first try, actually. I made it. I mean, I don't know. Do you think I'm cheating? Well, like, because I made it where the wind was, like, pointing up, so I'm actually kind of helping my thing. But also there is wind. Okay, yeah, it's gonna go in the water, so that did not count. Okay. So I think what we should do is just practically just hit this full power. Ooh. Yeah, the only way. Ooh, okay. You know what, let's do that one more time, but on the wheels. Let's get that wheel shot. If we can. I don't know why it's not doing the wheels. That's kind of weird, I thought. Okay. Ooh, okay. That was a good landing. I don't even think we need the wheels. Oh, nope. Oh, okay. We're gonna go over here then. bottom? Okay, yes. Perfect. Okay, now we can tell how smooth this landing actually is. Oh, come on, line up with the runway. Ooh. Oh no, okay. Okay, we're gonna do this one last time. Well, okay. We'll do this just a couple more times. Just to get this smooth. Ooh, nope. I mean, it wouldn't be that bad of a landing, but still, come on. Yeah, it crashed anyway. Pull up. You know what? If we bounce, it probably doesn't mean it's that good of a landing. Oh no, these landings are actually kind of impossible. I mean, they're not, but it feels like they are. Okay. We're just going to do this one last time. I'm not really guaranteeing the video, but I am trying my hardest. Ooh. Come on, get this butter. Okay, I mean, we could let it slide. I mean, okay, we're kind of overrunning. Do you think you should let that slide? Do that in the comments. Oh, and also, as soon as we hit 50 subscribers, I'm doing a really long stream. So, yeah, stay tuned. Okay. Now we have the beast over here. We have the Qantas, baby. Now we're going to do 2 landings. One for just landing. And then we're going to do a landing gear view. I mean, I don't know. I mean, if I was a passenger, I'd probably be okay. But let's just do that one more time. And then we'll let it slide if it's actually smooth. Okay. I don't know. I mean, it's really hard to tell in the game. I don't know. Let's just do that one more time, and then that will be our final landing. If it's hard, then we'll redo it. And then we'll do a view of the cockpit. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Pretty good, pretty good. Come on. Well, for some reason, it's not moving for one. If we go in the water, we're going to have to do this again. But I'm going to do it different. Yeah, we're going in the water. Yeah, and also this game isn't actually realistic even with that. It's mostly just, I mean, it doesn't even have that much detail. For a mobile game, this is good, but, you know. Okay. Now we're just going to do that one last time, but we're going to do it with the bottom. Maybe this will give us some luck with landing. Because actually I can land pretty good with the cam on this. Ooh, I don't know. You guys should, you want to comment? Then you can. Oh, wait, and also it matters if we overrun. Yeah, we're going to overrun. I think I know what I'm going to do on this next one. I'm going to do the park brake so then we don't overrun, which will actually help with the other things. Ooh, that was a butter practically. Ah, okay. Oh, man, we actually could have got a butter if we would have done that thing. Okay. I mean, I don't know. You know what, we're just going to do one more. Just one more. This is the final one. So, hopefully this is a better one. If we can just get this lined up with the runway, we can maybe... Ooh, okay, that was the probably best one. Now, all we need to do is not go in the water. I don't really care if we overrun. Well, like... Okay. This is going to be the final one. This time, actually, I promise. Sorry for all the other times I said this was going to be the final one. Oh, okay. That was actually, in my opinion, the best one we've had. Now, as long as we don't overrun. Okay. Okay. We did it. We did it. Okay. Well, I mean, that was pretty good ending. So, thanks for watching, and bye.